My niece Lily asked me how to do nice edges when you're crocheting, so this will be a tutorial for her and anyone else that's interested. So we'll start with a slip stitch. We're going to chain 6. Once you have your chain of 6, you're going to insert your hook into the second chain and start a single crochet there and do a single crochet in each chain across. Because we made a chain of 6 and we skipped the first chain, you'll need 5 single crochets across and for every row hereafter. And you can follow that same rule. So if you do a chain of 30, you'll be doing 29 chains across if you've skipped the first one. Once you've finished, just make sure that you've got 5. You can count the top if that helps. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to chain 1 and then flip your work over towards you. If you're looking at it from the top, it would be clockwise, like this. Then you'll be doing 5 single crochets across again. So you'll see, if you look carefully, you can find those 5 holes that you'll be inserting your hook into. And then do your 5 single crochets. If you find you miss one, you can always go back and repeat that, but it's good to count as you're doing this. So that's 2, 3, 4, and 5. The last one sometimes can be a little tricky, so just make sure you're doing your stitches nice and loose. And then again, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. And then do 5 crochets across again. And I'll just keep going for a little while and do a few more rows so you can see what it looks like. Just remember, chain 1, turn. It's good to practice this with a small chain so you can turn it over a lot and make sure you get in the habit of counting your stitches and making sure that it's uniform. If you ever find that you've got 6 stitches or 4, you can always undo a row and go back. Sometimes it's hard to find exactly where to put your hook in. That'll just come with practice though. So there you go. That's what it's going to look like once you've done about 10 rows or so. You can keep going further. You can make a bunch of different sorts of things with that depending on how wide you make it. With a different color, I made this one. For this one, I used a chain of maybe 8. You can see it looks really nice when it's uniform. It's really good to practice and make sure you don't get those extra stitches or you're missing them. You can make like a belt or purse strap or something with that. If you have any more questions or if that didn't make sense, let me know and I'll make another video for you.